Okay, so where we left off, negative 1/6 times r to the negative fourth. Can't have that negative exponent, so negative 1 stays on top. No exponent. 6 has no exponent, stays on bottom. But now r to the positive 4 moves to the bottom to get rid of that negative exponent. Okay, last few. Number 20. 8 divided by 20. Well, when we simplify that, 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 2/5. And we still have that w, and w is to the negative 2 minus 9. So 2/5. W to the negative 11. Can't have that negative exponent, so 2 stays on top, 5 on bottom. W moves to the bottom and becomes to the 11th. So 2/5 w to the 11th. Number 21. Negative 28 divided by 4. Start with the coefficients in negative 7. X to the negative 4 minus 4. Sorry, minus a negative 4. So really that becomes negative 4 plus 4. Okay, we'll get to that in a second. And then our other base of y. So on top we have 5. On bottom we have 2. So y, 5 minus 2. Okay, that negative 7 is a whole number, doesn't simplify. Negative 4 plus 4 is x to the 0. And then y is to the 5 minus 2, which is 3. Well, anything to the 0 power is 1. That's gone, so we have negative 7 y to the third, because anything to the 0 power is 1. So x is gone. Last one, 16 divided by 10. Well, this simplifies to 8 over 5. Remember, use that PRB button, second PRB. Then we have m to the first minus 2, because we have m to the first on top and then a 2 on bottom, times n to the negative 2 on top minus a negative 8. Well, minus a negative really means positive. Okay, so we still have that fraction 8/5. 1 minus 2 is negative 1, so m to the negative 1. And n, negative 2 plus 5 is 3. So we're almost done. Hate negative exponents. Have to rewrite it. So we still have the fraction 8/5. M to the negative 1 is being flipped. It's got the negative exponent, so it becomes m. And you could write that first if you want. You don't have to, so it could just be m, or m to the first on bottom. And then n to the third is on top because it's a positive exponent. So 8n cubed divided by 5m is our final answer. So along with that, that's where we're going to call notes quits for today. So you may go ask the sub to get your homework. It's homework 6. Complete only numbers 1 through 12 for Wednesday. We'll worry about the rest together. Have a great day, guys.